Hey everyone, welcome back to my another video, and today I am ahead to Saralpara since I haven't gone before. So today I am going to visit the beauty of nature. So continue watching my video till the end. And finally I have reached the place, and look at the view, and the scenery is looking really very awesome. So friends, continue watching my video and enjoy the view. And here you can see the river water was really very dirty since it was raining daily, so due to that I think so. And now let me chill, and the water is really very cold. Just problem is that the water was dirty. Other than that, everything was good. Now let me enjoy, and you all also enjoy with me. नै लोगोफोर, आङो दा सरलपारायावहाय सफैबाय। ओमफ्राय बिराद अखा हादोंमोन नालाय, ओंखायनो दैया एसे लेथ्रा आरो नै। बिराद मोजां मोनदों बेयाव फैनानै। आङो दिनैसो फार्स्ट टाइम फैदों आरो बेयावहाय। भिउआबो बिराद मोजां। ओमफ्राय जाग्राफोरखौथ' जेबो लाबोआसै, मानोना ओंखाम जानानै फैखादोंमोन आरो फुङावहाय। स' भिउखौ नायदो लोगोफोर, नै बेखौ लोंसै आङो दा। बेखौबो लोंबावनोसै। खालि ड्रिंक, गुड वेदार एन्ड कोल्ड ड्रिंक। And now it's time to return back home. And look at this beautiful temple. It has unique design, painting, and also colorful. It was really very wonderful design, and it was looking really awesome. So friends, today's video I'm going to end up here. Thank you everyone for watching my today's video.